All right, so today we are changing eBay turbo off of my friend Chris's KAT car. This turbo was blown up when he got the car. It was smoking really bad, so I told him to get a new one, and that's exactly what he did. I don't know exactly what size it is, but I know it's a .63 AR. It's perfect for drifting. So it's the exact same turbo. He already started taking it apart, so now what we're gonna do is take all these bolts off from the exhaust and then put that new pretty turbo in there. So this turbo has a pretty good amount of shaft play in there, as you can see. I mean, eBay turbos work, but not as long as Garrett turbos. Chris got this car for like what, $2,000?
Yeah, it's $2,000.
He got this car for $2,000. Like, I don't like K's that much, but a KAT car, pretty clean body, really clean
Almost
interior.
full interior.
Yeah, almost full interior.
No back seats, that's it.
Yeah, yeah. And the KAT runs really well. It's the turbo's, obviously blown up, but $2,000 for a KAT car.
It didn't have these wheels.
Pretty wild, yeah. What he did so far was he got some new square wheels, new tires, and he bought this shell over here for like what?
$1,300.
$1,300. Had an angle on that car, C32s, and he transferred all the parts in that car to this, and also a full body kit. Yeah. So he got the, extended lower control arms, cut knuckles, C32 brakes. These are the coils off my old car that I gave to him because he needed them. He also did, I think, what, arms in the rear or something like that?
No, it already had full arms.
Already had the arms, but dude, $2,000, and then like $1,300 freaking parts car, make it into one.
And I can still sell the shell.
Yeah, and you got a perfect drift car. So if you're into drifting or any kind of motorsport, I definitely suggest buying one of these. It's funny because I don't even have one, but like all my friends have it, but it's so convenient to for spots like this and like that. Makes things a lot easier and quicker and more convenient. In 2 seconds, it just comes out. Alright. That thing sucked. Yeah. This bolt right here, this one right here, was so horrible. Especially when you have these really old rusted bolts and they're hard to get placed. Not fun. So it took me like, what, 45 minutes to get one freaking bolt?
Exactly.
But okay, so old turbo's out, but on the new turbo, the wastegate line is tapped into it right there. On this turbo, it doesn't have it, so to save time, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the old cold side off this turbo and the new cold side off of this turbo and swap them, so we can just throw it on, get it back in the car, put the line back on, and call it a day. So it turns out the old cold side is a little bit smaller than the new one. The new one's a little bit bigger, sadly, so I can't use the old one. So we're gonna have to figure this out and get this out, re-drill that hole on that turbo, tap it, and then put that in there. Drill the hole, and now we're gonna tap it. Tap this new cold side, got the fitting in there. So this is the fitting that goes to the wastegate. And the other turbo had it, but this one did not, so I went to the store real quick, got the tapping set, and tapped it up, and then got the fitting in there, the nipple. We'll assemble it back together and be good to go. So just got the turbo back together. Now it's time to install it. Got the oil line all lined up for the line there. Got the turbo lined up for the piping, and then the hot side up ready for the manifold. So should just slide right in here really quick. Boom. There we go. Oil line looks good. Heck yeah, dude. It's perfect. So turbo is in. All lines are connected. All the bolts are tightened down. Intercooler is all tightened up. All right. Give her a start, Chris. So turbo looks good. I don't spot any leaks whatsoever. Heck yeah. Stoked on that. Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, bro.
Oh. Just got the air filter back on the turbo. About to go for a test drive, and hopefully it turns out pretty good. It should be perfectly fine. It's the exact same turbo, pretty much, but just gonna go for a test drive, see if it leaks or anything like that. coupler on the front. It just popped off.
The sound it made, dude.
Yeah. Oh well. I'll fix it really quick and go back out there.
It's so rusty. That was like a third.
Yeah.
Like half, a third to half throttle. That was like three quarters.
Sounds good. Sounds
yeah.
healthy. Sounds good.
Oh,
Heck
yeah.
yeah, dude. No more blown turbos.
No.
For now.
Yeah, for
For
now. Or blown motors.
Oh yeah.
For now.
For a spin and see how it feels. I drove a KAT car one time. This car or another car?
You drove this
I
car.
drove this car? Okay.
On the old turbo.
Right, I still remember.
Yeah, you drove it once on the old turbo.
Right. Oh, knee brakes. Holy shoot.
Yeah, it's the line. I told you they were sketchy.
A little bit. 240s always feel so good, no matter what it is.
Seriously.
Yeah, you can buy a Z and go drive, but 240 just feels so good. I love 240s. They can be a pain, but they're a lot of fun.
Hell yeah. Alright, after this GTI.
Give it a little rip. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
Feels real good.
It feels crazier in the passenger seat though.
I bet it does. No seatbelt on.
Yeah, I'm sitting here no seatbelt trying to hold the freaking. There's like a bolt missing out of the seat.
So you just fly back.
So as soon as he gets the
The fir-
boost, it's just like whoop.
The first time I rode in this car, I didn't know about that.
I
He
forgot.
stopped on and I flew. Oh
Dude,
yeah.
that sounds so fucking good.
Oh yeah. Oh, rubbing.
Fitment life.
Alright, so turbo's good. The car feels really good. Not burning any more oil or destroying turbos, so
Nope.
that's always good. So the car feels great. KAT friggin' rips, dude. This is dope.
I cannot wait to slide this thing.
Oh yeah. Alright, so now alignment, harness bar, raise the car,
Yeah.
and other miscellaneous things, but
Handbrake.
handbrake, hydro. Other than that, this car is dope. So in the next few weeks, let's look for some mods coming to this S13 as well as mine. So
Yep.
thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.